If you're locked in right now, anyway, you're locked in right now around the world, this is the UpnLive show. We do this each and every Tuesday right here on TGM Radio. We're live here from UK, and you know, we bring the best of the best. And when we say the best, we mean absolutely best. And we have the man who has a name who sounds like a legendary name, but don't get it confused. It's not Marley, it's marl-e. Welcome back to your studio. So you're a resident here. You know. How you doing today?
No, bless up yourself, you know?
Of course. Welcome back, brother. You know, we like with the first and foremost, the punctuality.
Bless it.
Yeah. So what's good since them time, the brother?
Been busy.
Me see it.
Trying to stay consistent and give everybody the best, you know? Yeah.
In terms of the music, what projects have you released since we last spoke?
A lot.
See it.
I think I've released about 7 or 8 tracks. Only 2 that really stick.
Cause we know we broke it off, go on with himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause the girl them run with that.
And that stick. And the reggae song.
The reggae
The reggae song stick in Europe. Still gone.
So you're dabbling in Europe now?
Yeah.
You try to fight?
I didn't even try, you know.
Well, them find you.
They find it, and then I think Reggaeville posted it as well. Reggaeville like it, and then post it, and then it just gone from there, so, you know.
Yeah, but you know, with your music is because you do a lot of production yourself, right?
Yes.
Because is it you that produce all the music, or you have producers that you work with?
No. I don't produce anymore. From the last time we speak,
because we know you is a labyrinth, you know.
Yeah. I haven't made any beats since my last speak to you. So Amani B, R&B singer, bad producer, bad singer. You know, he's been making my beats, and other producers from around the world, America, Jamaica, just link up and send over some beats. And
what's the difference when you find that if you have like producers sending it to you? Is it more comfortable for you, or you rather the old school where you used to do it by yourself?
Sitting in the studio with Amani, making them, I prefer it that way. Because I think I gel with the beat better because there is stuff that he put in and I was like, take that out.
Okay.
Because so when you hear a beat that already been made, you have to work with
it. Still.
We get to say when you're in the studio, something might come to your brain and you might take that out because the type of song you want to sing on it.
Yeah.
It probably go better if that is in there or that's not.
Perfect example. The biggest example for that is like Take a Look.
Yeah.
That was made mainly based on a arpeggiator making a repetitive sound. And like Take a Look. And I was like, okay, run with it. And then we start building around it, and then the rest was history. Yeah,
because I think I've seen some of the production of that song. I think I've heard like a first line when he was doing it. Somehow I remember, I think I came to your house once.
Yeah.
And you were doing, so I don't know if it was the same project, but
it was the same project. I was doing I was in uni.
Yeah.
I was interviewing you.
Yeah.
I was interviewing.
The team would turn around because I get an interview at that time, but anyway, the team will switch back around now.
Yeah,
are we good now? So what's good for you for 2019? What can we
I've got a few projects coming up and coming. I've got one with Dijon.
Yeah, bad artist.
Yeah, man.
Bad piece of singer.
I'm telling you, if it was if I heard him before I released anything, I would have just sit down.
Yeah, that's true. No man, him really talented.
Yeah, man, cool. Driving and freestyling with him, and it's cool.
What's the connection? How did you guys meet?
Caribbean party, Super Nitro, Fats them. They
big up Nitro.
You know what I mean?
Oh, boss.
Nitro making moves, man.
Yeah.
Nitro making moves, cause on my own when I used to do it, I used to try so hard. Really so hard to even get anyone to have a look in.
Yeah.
Link up with Nitro, and it's like the earth start move.
Yeah, because Nitro doing waves in I have to big him up. You know, I mean, like we give the colleagues them strength when we see them doing good things.
Yeah.
When I go see one side.
You have to give justice to where it deserve, because Nitro them are do them thing you don't know.
Of course.
Yeah.
Them are stand up and all the dancers scene for the younger generation them, because like when I realize like say we are hardcore dancer Jamaican, and these are kind of like the English version.
Yeah.
So he's doing big things. Me not take nothing away from me and say him can't do the hardcore thing, you know, but It's the way it is.
Yeah, him fit in because him
hardcore.
Yeah, I mean hardcore, but he's.
Me know him hardcore, but because
well.
we have a Jamaican background.
Yes.
And he's kind of more English than Jamaican in a sense.
Yeah. So, but big ups to him.
Yeah, man.
Anyway. So, you been doing a few projects, and you say you have one coming out with this.
Yeah, I've got one with Dejour. I've got one with Pear. I don't know if you know Pear.
I know Pear, man. Yeah, man. Shower.
Yeah, I've got one with him, and I'm waiting for next artist to feature. ? Waiting.
What's it? How is it getting to work with like the artists over here? Is it you find it?
I find it quite for the ones that break through already.
Yeah.
It's hard.
Politics involved.
Yeah, it's hard to get through to them, but I still try and send the love anyway because they reach to that level. So if they on that level, then I don't try to knock anything from them and say you know what I mean?
Yeah.
They do their thing. If they want to reach out, they reach out. If they don't, then I have to carry on. And
yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Who's been your biggest inspiration in the music so far?
Ooh.
I think I asked you this before, but you didn't really give me a clear answer. So I'm going to say, you know what? I'm going to revamp the question there.
Biggest inspiration. When I look into my music now, I would base it on Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal.
Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal.
Oh, and don't forget my Vada singer.
I politics here play now. My plates here.
No, because I do sing J and I do DJ and it's not Kartel. I got the sing J from.
No, I know it's not Kartel, but it's all about somebody who you've been listening to, somebody who you grew up to, somebody who make you want to become a musician, somebody who influence you. Like
I never wanted to be a musician. I never wanted to be an artist.
Yeah.
If you ask Ricky and Lit, I wanted to be a producer.
Yeah.
Strictly producing.
Yeah, because music. like when I just know you, I know you usually produce your one little beat. Remember when you come at the open mic and stuff.
Yeah.
And we see you've been doing for a long time, and as we said before, you've been struggling and you've been putting in the work, but it's consistency that keep you going.
Yeah.
Because from when we just meet you to where you are now, that's a big improvement and a big growth.
Yeah,
blessed.
Because you're consistent as well, and you're consistently making good music.
And you know what? He take time to fine tune his craft.
Yeah,
because me always know say you might have that little stage present there. Like a lot of young artists don't learn the part there yet.
Yeah.
Like any little open mic will go when him touch him always mash up the place.
Of course.
You know what go around. I'm see now like me see the music, the production of the music is improving more and more and more.
Yeah.
So kudos to you, brother.
Of course. And so people, if you listen to Marl-e, if you haven't heard any of Marl-e's song, I think we should play it. You have anything there?
Yeah, man. I have something. So this are the big song where all of them girls probably know this one.
I could drop a couple
slow wine and broke it off. Tick tock on the tip, then I broke it off. Kill her with the bomb and when she boom it off. Tongue in your belly when me bust it off. Yeah. Slow wine and slow wine, 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 yeah. Say broke off your back till your bone get crack. Everything in your waistline, you see get shit. Bring it back, you not care, everything I get twist.
And if you're just joining us, this is the voice of Marl-e. You know the song's called Break It Off. Or whether you have vibes with Marl-e a little bit, I will have a good shit chat. And say the artist live in the studio. And what type of production you've been doing, but what has been your most comfortable record that you've released that you say, all right, listen, I had fun making this one?
I think you can answer that question.
No, me can't answer that question.
You have to answer that one.
You have to answer it.
Okay. Most comfortable one is Take a Looker. Not my favorite, but Take a Looker.
Is it?
Yeah.
So what's your favorite record that you released then?
My favorite record, Thoughts.
Thoughts?
Thoughts in my head.
Why Thoughts?
Because it's from my heart. It's directly from my heart, and I was literally telling a story.
And you know me like that song though.
I know.
Yeah. That song the bad.
I remember when it was playing in a club, you pulled me to the side and like, yo promote this, you know?
Because the song was different.
Yeah.
And it came from a different place. It just felt real. You see, real music, you can't really it's just when alright. See, if you're a person like me who like music, when you hear a song that somebody do, it's just like the artist name Cash. Me I always call the name wrong.
Yeah.
And him have a song where I talk about him. First love and me have. I can't even sing it properly.
Yeah, but it's a banger. And like, well, a lot of people don't understand. You have song where you can go bra off and rave to. Yeah. You have song for listen and relax your mind to.
Yeah.
So it's one of them song there.
Yeah. You just listen and you just take it to that place and you just...
Even when I listen to it, it's mind-boggling because when I try to like dissect it, I still can't dissect it. Like, what was I thinking about when I write it? But it's so deep. Like, nobody know the thoughts in your head.
Nobody. But here what we're going there right now, right?
Yeah.
So, we're going to switch it up a little bit right now. Mm-hmm. And I really want you give me maybe about a little verse out of thoughts. And then we're going to go straight into Dragon section, right? So, when we know the thoughts, you can't really do it for the freestyle section. So, give me one little 8 out of 16 out of the thoughts, please.
These thoughts in my head, messing with my meds, telling me if you run or leave everything dead. Oh, I don't want to do it, but if you diss me, I will pull it, yeah. What you know about me? You don't know nothing about me. Newland Street, Portmore, grow me, walking it. Something like that. Yeah.
This is a section that show where everybody are with fun. So if you're online right now, if you're streaming right now, make sure you start share the link.
Ready.
We are going live now. Freestyle section.
We call freestyle.
Yeah.
We don't pay nobody no money to come up in here, right?
Trouble.
Just put on some bar, you know, some free bar. Ready now? You ready, Marley?
Yeah. Are you ready? Yo, ready when you ready, I'm ready figure. Lights, camera, action when the show start there. Me with it, like me rolling with the arm. Listen to me and bring my meditation. Yo, turning up the now the kitchen cause the it is on. Burning everything that move, truly mini Babylons and really come rebel cause of them a see me. Them a see me, yo, them a see me. Yo, new land where me come from. Me no run from nobody, none of junction stand up in the head. Yeah, ready? Girl, you me a pray. You know say you me a pray. First time, yeah. From the first time you walk in my life, girl. Everything about you. Walking on my life, girl. Yeah. Aye, where you walking now? Where you talk? Make me want to know your name or your number. Girl, me want to give you this a lumber. Give you everything, every. Yeah, drop it down for me one time, girl. Tell me where you want when me give it to you, right? Yeah. Rhythm up. Every time you look at me, girl, yeah, why you me a pray? Every time me I tell you, say you me a pray, yeah. I say more than.
Nah, you me ready, Jack now weekend.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Me say me ready when they ready, come me ready fi go kick it off. Lights, camera, action when the show start. The film is on, rolling with the. It's like me rolling with the arm. And bring me meditation, yo, turning up the fire and the kitchen cause the heat is on. Burning every, yo. So stepping at the place, but then, yo, keep it there. Yo, hear the beat now, check the beat now. Every good girl come grind from the beat now. Good as, rock your body, make me touch you.
Ready again.
Live on the beat, this is marl-e. You know, we're going over America. You ready, dog? See it, how we here time, you know.
Okay, on the beats.
Hey, y'all come. Y'all look for me now. Y'all come. Yeah. See this life that I live, all of them a pre me. I not true money, me no know them pre me. Bad mind see me and want fi, but them know say, yo, I just the life that me live, yo. Simple me beat it, me not in a boss it. Track so me keep it. When you see the message of them chant, you fit. When you see the move, yeah, them can't you defeat it. Step up on the place, make them know so we ready for it. Got you, yeah, we know so the, yeah. I know freestyle, but Jango, go on. Hey, y'all love me, Bumbo. How are ya? slow wine and broke it off. Tick tock funny, then you broke it off. Killer with the bomber when she boom it off. Down in her belly when me bust it off. Yeah, yeah, slow wine and broke it off. Yeah, slow wine and marl-e every boom shaka laka. When you wind up, yeah, funny big chaka taka. Every girl a fling it back up on the tip up on the top. Every girl a figure spread out in the nose away. Hey, see the chopper when me chop in the belly. Girl a tell me say she bad me no mother. Yeah, she want me Shelly, yeah, me ready for Shelly. If me touch up on it, where you tell it? Hey, ready when you. Hey.
Live in the middle, this is marl-e, people. See it, yeah?
I'm good in the freestyle for the dumpling.
Yeah, I can freestyle the dumpling to her there.
No, we can do it by the same way, man.
Alright, go on now.
Hey, what she say? Clean, innit? My in her say she love it. No, you can't fit by this. Alright. Send me, yeah. Say anywhere you want, I got to your girl. Take me where you need, cause I got you right there. Touch everything where you want, that girl. Drop a look back and tell me where you want, girl. Eh. See the style, see the flow, what my got. Me no bossy, but check out the sneak when me, when me stepping at the place. Everybody, I'm hotter than them. All of them, I coulda stopped them in a job. Girl, I figure, cheese.
Yeah? You give me a piece, me give a piece. Go on.
She said my up in her say she love it down in her the squeeze up the stab up the make you scream out She said she love it when me talk like that. She no know where the me a chat. I must see eye contact. I know she really wanna touch her for that. She said my bad like my cousin Bragada. I told me beat up it you like that. No, I'm a brother top. Yeah. Yo, you ready? Go on now. What do you think you got?
Well on there. You really want me to join in?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna freestyle.
Go on.
Rick and marl-e in the studio. In the studio, everything live.
Mad.
On a Tuesday, UpnLive. Jagan in my DJ, yeah. So
watch out now.
Jagan go on with the piece with the road. Every Tuesday we take on the road. Wara we wake up on the road up on the studio with the we know all the code.
So we're stunting.
Yeah,
we're out here stunting. I'm not dumpling. So we're out here stunting. Look at now, I'm not fried dumpling, we're stunting. So we're out here stunting.
Oh, that's what I said. Dashing and cho-cho.
My favorite idiot.
I'm not dumpling.
Pull up.
How would I hear about?
Pull up, legal. Love that. No, we love the energy. Love the vibe. You know, we just feel like we just vibes up more time.
Yeah.
And all these things. So big up to everybody that's been joining us for the last couple of weeks as well. Big up to you. Big up to the Facebook family. Big up to the entire UpnLive team. We're here, we're out and stunting as we just see a while ago. marl-e in the building.
Blessed.
And you know, we give thanks for the strength, brother, and give thanks for the energy for passing through as well. But before we go, give us some socials so we can find you.
Everything should be under official marl-e _e.
Yep.
So it's official marl-e spell MAR _e for the social for the Instagram.
No, we'll start again. That confuse me.
marl-e not sure what.
You're not sure. We'll start again.
We can start again. Alright. For Instagram is official marl-e, so it's official MARL _e. Everything else is official marl-e MAR -e. Yeah, because you can't use hyphen on Instagram. We have to use the underscore. Although DJ Corey, if I get rid of the underscore, me not move it. _e.
Yeah, no, Corey with him full time.
Why? But anyway, thank you very much for joining us. It's a pleasure having you here this evening, and keep growing your career and keep doing what you're doing. And it, as I said, slow and steady.
Yeah,
growth is always the best because you're grounded with the music fraternity and your peers around you, because we see you doing lots of collaborations, so that is a good thing. All right?
Blessed.
Thank you very much for passing through. marl-e people, once again, the boss out and stunting, you know. Remix by the dumpling.
You know what I think? I'm not dumpling, dog.
I want to know. I am?
No, I'm not dumpling. I'm not fried chicken. I'm not dumpling. We don't know a woman. Everybody want to know where me a cook.
A chicken back here cook.
You know? Everybody want to know where dragon a cook.
Dirty girl a
something
cook.
a cook.